Today I'm going to be disinfecting my HVAC because, like my car and other many cars, they don't have cabin air filters anymore. So we're going to do it another way. Because if you start smelling some shit in when you turn on your air, I'll show you what you need to do. Alright. Turn that all the way on high. Fresh air coming in. It's pretty cold. What else we're going to do here? That's about it. Alright. I'll show you what else we're going to do. Take some Glade. I used to use disinfectant mist, all I had around the house today. So, let's get to it. Alright. As you can hear, it's sucking the air in through here. Don't worry about your paint or anything. This is totally fine. If you have a whole can, preferably use the whole thing, but if you don't, no big deal. It'll keep sucking it through until it's done. And it smells nice and fresh in here. So, that's basically all you have to do if you don't have a cabin air filter. I mean, it's pretty simple. But if you do have one, basically just drop it in the glove box, things there. That's pretty self-explanatory. If I ever come across a car, like an old car that I have, then I probably make a video of that. Alright? So I'll catch you guys next time. Stay tuned.